For Unit 7 is my personal theme, and through the progress tutorial I got to learn that, there's parts that where I could improve a lot in terms of working on the body and having more visual research within my workflow. I think that's the main problem at that point, where I didn't really have a lot of visual research within my workflow, in my information file, because I was looking too much on like books theory based, which didn't really help me be inspired in terms of shapes and the techniques I could use. After the tutorial, I did quite a lot of research on techniques that are more visual based, and I could sort of experiment on them. And there was one really interesting one. That was an interactive art installation where it requires the viewers to interact with it to get a shape and a data answer. So I sort of respond to that, and sort of a way to help me to create shapes for my inspiration for my garment, my possible garment. That it requires this experiment requires a lot of decision making, and how the thought of the words, there are words as well, which directs how we choose something and as an outcome of it. Another part there which I'm lacking and quite behind on, which was the sketchbook during the progress tutorial, which really reflects on how it doesn't really portray, doesn't convince the tutor of my theme, which was quite frustrating. So during this time, I have tried to do more visual research to help me progress with my sketchbook on how I could draw. I still do find some difficulties in putting the visual drawings or what to draw in my sketchbook, but I'm still working on that. Maybe with another tutor advice with my tutor would be helpful. The main areas that I really enjoyed within my theme was about making decisions, because that is what I struggle sometimes, or because I'm quite an indecisive person, so sometimes I do like someone to make a choice for me. So that's how I got inspired by having this topic. The reason why I set this choice and effect theme for me for this Unit 7 project, because it was something quite personal to me, and it's something I go through in my everyday life, which really got me wondering how we make this choice, and why does it appear in our mind, where one thing could lead to so many possibilities within just one simple choice.